Hello and welcome to task 14. In this video, I'll be giving you the answer of how I have completed my task 14. In the task 14, I asked you to find two reasons to justify your systematic literature review paper as to why you are doing it, because that's a very important part. So to answer that, I have, as you can see, I've got two sentences that justify the reason why I would do this systematic literature review paper. But before that, as you can see, I have added some more text. So some few sentences prior to justification, which gives a sense of a background or a context, and then it nicely flows into the justification. And after the justification is done, you can then nicely enter into the next section, which is on contribution. So the task for this video, the task that I'm discussing here was on justification only. So let's just look at the justification part, which is highlighted in yellow. So what is the justification that I have provided? I have said here that over the last few years, several systematic literature review papers have addressed specific topics, but none of them involved a thorough investigation covering both blockchain and IoT. So that is one reason why I should do a systematic literature review paper. And the next thing that I have said here is this observation motivated us to undertake a comprehensive and systematic review to provide an up-to-date account of the research activities in this rapidly growing research field. Okay, so these two are the sentences that I have used to justify that I'm doing this new SLR paper. And this is then followed by a sentence or more on contribution. So in the future videos, we will have the tasks where I will assign you tasks to do on contribution. But in this video, the only reason I showed these three things is that is the connection that we have that we should include while we are writing this. Okay, so background information followed by justification and then contribution. So that is task 14 for you. All right, thank you very much. I hope you're continuing with your all the tasks that I have been assigning on a regular basis, and I'm very happy if you will publish a paper based upon this. If you have completed the task, please if you want feedback, put this in the comments, and the first two comments that I receive, I will give my personal feedback on those two writings. All right, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like and share this video series with others. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.